Hello my friends, welcome to this amazing and spectacular one-day trip to Tortuguero from San Jose. We start early morning picking up in all major hotels in San Jose Central Valley, and then we drive through the Braulio Carrillo National Park, getting to Pavona around 8 o'clock in the morning after having breakfast on the way, a very delicious traditional breakfast. We get ready, all details, use the restrooms, get some water, and then we go to the boat boarding area where we stop with a wildlife expedition for around 2 hours. Our boat has a removable cover for a better wildlife observation. We can see in the river and in the canals different species such as otter, bats. Right there on the trunk you can see them. Toucans, Caimans, crocs, Basilisk in this case. Look at that basilisk. Crocodiles. Sometimes we are lucky enough to see a sloth, all different monkeys. Look at that caiman on the trunk right there, well camouflaged. Anhingas, Herons. We visit really exclusive locations away from crowds such as Caño Palma, for example. At 10 o'clock in the morning we do a wildlife safari here in Caño Palma. Look at the effect of the water and the jungle. We do a hike to the tropical humid forest, to the Tortuguero Hill. Continue to watch more wildlife, bats, toucans, monkeys. And this is the observation deck on top of the 400 feet where we watch also more species. In this case, for example, we were watching this white-faced capuchin. Once we finish the hike, we walk this really small and narrow local native trails, and we visit the San Francisco Village. In this village we share with local people and learn about their culture and traditions. After visiting the village of San Francisco, we arrive to Tortuguero. We have time for lunch, for souvenirs, shopping, and also to walk the village. At around 2 p.m., we return to the Pavona parking lot where we finish the adventure. We start getting ready for the returning trip to the Central Valley in San Jose. The expected arrival to San Jose is around 6:30 p.m. Thanks very much for sharing with us.